The Volvo XC60 key fob enables keyless entry and ignition. It occasionally needs battery replacement to fix weak signals or failed remote start. The key fob uses a CR232 battery. Replace it when signals weaken or remote start fails. For models from 2018 onward, slide the latch on the side or back to release the top half. For older models, gently pry the case open using a flat tool. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Reassemble by snapping the halves back together and ensuring the latch clicks securely. This process restores weak signals and enables failed remote start to work again. Handle the key fob gently to avoid cracking the plastic case. Corrosion can be an issue, especially in humid climates. Clean the contacts during battery replacement if necessary. If the fob doesn't respond after battery replacement, try reprogramming it via the vehicle's infotainment system under Settings, Key, Add Key. While physical key fobs are still common, Volvo is moving towards digital alternatives via smartphone apps. Future XC60 models may feature biometric keyless entry, potentially eliminating the need for physical batteries. Consider replacing the battery every 1 to 2 years or when the remote range decreases.